Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Rain brings some relief, but much more needed to make dent in drought. Environmental officials say several storms needed to polish the groundwater. Wednesday morning's rain was a welcome sight in New Hampshire, with more than 70% of the state in severe drought. But officials warn that much more rain is needed. Environmental officials said Wednesday's rain was exactly the sort of storm New Hampshire needs. Soaking rain spread out over a period of time. But that sort of rain needs to happen more often to bring relief from the ongoing drought. We're 8 to 11 inches short in total rainfall at this point, said Tom O'Donovan, director of the Water Division of the Department of Environmental Services. O'Donovan said there is a serious need to recharge the state's groundwater. In this drought, a lot of the soil areas have baked hard, and a lot of this will run off into surface waters, he said. While those surface waters have been abdominally low and the rain will help there, O'Donovan said many more storms are needed before the groundwater begins to recharge. The soil needs to restore itself, and then it will begin to percolate down into groundwater, he said. There are water usage restrictions of some kind affecting more than 400,000 granite staters. For that to change, the state will need repeated storms, preferably kicked off by a good soaking, O'Donovan said. That's how the drought in 2016 started to end, he said. We got a good tropical storm that came in with 2 days of pretty steady rain that gave us 2 to 3 inches. On a positive effect is the rain should reduce the fire danger for the moment, and more rain is expected on Friday. Unfortunately, there's no tropical storms lined up heading our way, but we'll keep looking for them, O'Donovan said. A new drought map is due out Thursday morning, and despite the rain, O'Donovan said he expects it will show a slight increase in the areas of the state now experiencing a severe drought. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this evening news report. Have a great rest of your evening, and see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.